So this part of the mission, push up. Through you king, Mr. Hibiki. You know what I'm saying? I mastered the simulation on a level that was unprecedented. Regardless of what the playing field actually has. It's not as if the fucking hacks still aren't there. You know what I mean? It's not if the hacks still aren't there and shit. They always are there. You fucking enemy landmines, minefields and shit. You know? You got about targets that are 10 to 30 years apart. And fucking differential and shit, you know? Even to our third quarter's existence and everything. Yeah. So God, they're using this opportunity now to do that kind of stuff over there.